Hey, this is Sean with Car Audio Solutions. This is our F series box for Ford trucks, F150s, F250s, and it's a 3.5-inch seat lift is required for this one. What's in here is actually water. I've got 27 gallons exactly of volume in this box, and this is just to kind of test the seals on the box, make sure it's airtight and watertight. But that works out to 3.6 cubes before any displacement, and once we do the ports and speakers it changes a little bit, but this is how you get 3.6 under the seat.